This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Muckle-Williams. This home is ready for you. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a large room over the garage, living room and family room. Tons of space for all. It is completely fenced, dual HVAC systems, open floor plan, main floor bedroom, main floor full bath, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer do not convey, 2-car garage with space on both sides. This beautiful community offers a neighborhood school, pool, walking trails, a playground, soccer fields and water views. Seller does not pay flood insurance. For more information, review the details below or contact Muckle-Williams at 757-638-5700.